Hello tech enthusiast, welcome back to RTC. When you upgrade your Windows OS, the system automatically creates a folder that contains all the files and folders from your previous OS. This folder is aptly named Windows.old. In today's video, we will gonna learn how we can delete the Windows.old folder on drive C. To do that, right-click on the Windows logo and click on Settings. Then here, click Storage. Then here click on Temporary Files. You will notice here a previous Windows installation. So we will delete this folder to free up some space on drive C. Click on the previous Windows installation checkbox. Once you finish clicking the boxes you want to delete, just click Remove Files. Then click Continue. It will be quick, just be patient and wait for the process to finish. Done. Now let's check it out and see if we successfully remove the Windows.old folder in drive C. Nice! If you find this video helpful, hit like, sub and click the notification bell to keep you updated on my latest upload. Thanks!